See, we have two topics of trigo in your syllabus. One is trigonometric function and another is special values and graphs of trigonometric function. Special values we have done in a practice in chapter number 4. So for chapter number 5 only one concept is left, and that is graphs. And you know very well, no one is going to ask you to draw the graph, but you must know, you must identify the graph of y sin x, y cos x and y tan x. They can ask you some silence features of the graph in form of MCQ, right? So they will test your knowledge of graph directly or indirectly without asking you to draw the graph. How? We will see when we will do few objectives based on graphs. Just now I will teach you how to draw a graph of y sin x, y cos x, y tan x. Not only that, how to draw the graph of y is a sin bx. If angle is changed, what is change in the graph? If coefficient of sine is changed, what is the change in graph? And when coefficient and angle both are changed, what is the change in graph? See, if you want to construct the graph of chapter number 5, graphs of values we have done already, graphs of trigonometric function. And in our syllabus, if you refer the textbook, in your syllabus only 3 graphs are given. Graph of sin x, graph of cos x, graph of tan x, right? 3 graphs are in your syllabus. Graph of y sin x, y cos x, y tan x. Not only that, you must know what change occur in the graph when I change the angle, coefficient of angle or coefficient of function. First I will teach you how to draw graph of y sin x, okay? Without, I have to draw a rough sketch, not a fair, okay? You should know the shape of the graph. Exact plotting of point is not required. In order to construct the graph, you require knowledge of 3 things. Number 1, you must know range of this function. You must know zeros of this function, and you must know period of this function. You require knowledge of these 3 concepts. You know, range of sin x is closed interval -1 to 1. So my graph takes maximum value 1 on y-axis and minimum value -1. Matlab my graph is moving in between -1 to +1. My graph should not go above 1 or below -1, okay? Clear? My graph is fluctuating between -1 to 1. Value of y is between -1 to +1. Now second, what is the period of sine? Period of sine is, principal period is 2 pi. So I have to construct graph from 0 to 2 pi on x-axis. So this is pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Now about zeros. What are the zeros of sin x? K pi. K belongs to Z. Between 0 to 2 pi, there are only two zeros. 0 and pi. Sin x is 0 when x is 0 or pi. Or 2 pi. So between 0 to 2 pi, there are three zeros. मतलब my graph intersect x-axis at 0, pi and 2 pi. Are you clear? I don't require to form a table even. I don't require to form table of x and sin x. Without plotting, without making table, without writing value, I can draw the graph, exact graph. You will see. What is the maximum value of sin is maximum at pi by 2. So my graph reaches up to this. And minimum value is -1. That is sin 3 pi by 2. Okay. Look at my point which I have plotted. Clear? Now you require knowledge of increasing and decreasing. In first quadrant matlab 0 to pi by 2. My sin is increasing. In second quadrant matlab from pi by 2 to pi. My sin is decreasing. In third quadrant from pi to 3 pi by 2, right? My sin is again decreasing. And in fourth quadrant, my between 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, my sin is increasing. See, all the informations are with you. I will use this information to construct the graph. See, now I start constructing graph. Between 0 to pi by 2, matlab in first quadrant my sin takes value from 0 to 1 and it is increasing. In pi by 2 pi in second quadrant my sin decreasing from 1 to 0. Clear? And in third quadrant my sin between pi to 3 pi by 2 it again decreasing from 0 to -1. Clear? And in fourth quadrant my sin is increases from -1 to 0. This is my graph of y is sin x. Are you clear? Without making table. Table if you want to make 0 then 0, pi by 6 then 1/2, pi by 4 then 1 by root 2, pi by 3 then root 3 by 2 and pi by 2 then 1. Clear? It takes value when theta increases from 0 to pi by 2, my sin takes value from 0 to 1. Are you clear how to construct graph of y sin x? What is the shape of the graph? It is just like S, ulta S, right? Semicircle, semicircle. That way also you can remember. Now suppose I am asked to draw graph of y sin 2x. Then my principal period instead of 2 pi, it is 2 pi by 2. So pi, okay. So my graph is from 0 to pi. My range will remain -1 to 1. But my period is changing. Sin 2x principal period is pi. So same graph. This graph is going to become a graph of y sin 2x just by making a small change. In domain, I should make the value half. So I use different color. So for y is sin 2x. What change I have to make? Here pi by 2 is going to become pi by 4. Pi is going to become pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is going to become 3 pi by 4. And 2 pi is going to become pi. Only this much change. This is a graph of y sin 2x. जादू है ना? Only domain has been changed. Range will remain as it is. So in 0 to pi by 4, when x takes value from 0 to pi by 4, sin 2x takes value from 0 to 1. From pi by 4 to pi by 2, it takes value from 1 to 0. From pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4, it takes value from 0 to -1. And from 3 pi by 4 to pi, it takes value from -1 to 0. And as far as range is concerned, angle does not affect the range. It will remain -1 to 1. Suppose I am asked to draw the graph of y sin x by 2. Then principal period, instead of pi, it is 2 pi upon 1/2, so 4 pi. So for this graph, again there is no change in range. Here I should make this value double. Pi by 2 is going to become pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, and this is 4 pi. Graph will remain same. Same graph. Range will remain -1 to 1. And my zeros are here. Zeros are 0, 2 pi and 4 pi. For previous y sin 2x, my zeros are pi and 2 pi. Pi by 2 and pi. Now suppose I want to construct graph of y is 2 sin x. Then I am not supposed to change the domain. I have to change the range. Range of this function is closed interval -2 to 2. Domain will remain same, period will remain same, zeros are remaining same. So what change for this graph? Only here instead of +1 I should write +2. And here -2 I should write down -1 की place पे -2. Graph will remain as it is. Only instead of 1 and -1 we will write 2 and -2. बस. बाकी this x-axis will remain 0, pi by 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 pi will remain as it is. No change. But suppose I want to construct graph of 2 sin x by 2. मतलब I want to change domain also and range also. So my range will be closed interval -2 to 2. So my fx taking value from -2 to 2. So here I will take -2, here I will take 2. And my principal period will be 4 pi. So here 2 change. For this graph I have to make 2 change on my original graph. I have to make this double pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and 4 pi. Domain I make double. And range also I will make double. So graph of 2 sin x by 2 is, on x-axis you will write 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. And on y-axis I will write -2 and +2. The shape will remain same. And in table, here I will make double. And here also I will make double value. In table also. Pi by 6 की जगह pi by 3, pi by 4 की जगह pi by 2, pi by 3 की जगह 2 pi by 3, and pi by 2 की जगह pi. And values 0 की जगह 0, 1/2 की जगह 1, 1/√, की जगह √2, here √3 and here is 2. Clear? But no one is going to ask you to form a table. Are you clear with the graph of y sin x, y sin 2x, y sin x by 2, y 2 sin x and y is 2 sin x by 2? Every situation I have discussed with you with same graph. You keep in your mind, any graph is asked to you. You first construct the graph of y sin x and then whatever changes you require to do, that changes you show on the x-axis as well as y-axis. First you will draw graph by pencil. Matlab you are writing all this value, domain and range by using pencil. And when you want to change the graph, then only this data value will, if sin 2x, then value you are making half, sin x by 2, value you are making double, sin 3x, 1/3, sin x by 3, 3 times, and range also 2 sin x, range is double, 3 sin x, range is triple, 4 sin x, range is from -4 to 4. So only here you have to make change with pen. Rub out this data which you have written by pencil and write down final data with the help of pen. Clear? So are you clear with how to construct the graph of y sin x? In next session, I will teach you how to draw graph of y cos x, and same changes you are going to do for graph of y cos 2x, cos x by 2, 2 cos x and 2 cos x by 2, because you know as far as sin and cos is concerned, the domain is same, that the period is same, range is same, only zeros are different and behavior of increasing decreasing is different. Baki as far as domain, range and period, they are same. As far as domain, range and period, matlab required, this will be same. Range, domain and period are always same for sin and cos. Only difference is zeros are different and behavior in the quadrant as far as increasing decreasing is concerned will be changed. Are you clear? So the graph of y is cos x, only shape you should remember, otherwise everything is same. Whatever changes we are making are also remaining same. Okay, so in next session we will start constructing the graph of y is cos x and y is tan x. Then we are going to do sums based on graph as well as important values we are doing in next to next session. Okay, so I think in order to complete chapter number 4 and 5 we required at the most 2 lectures, not more than that, 2 or 3, not more than even 3. Okay, so in next session we will start